Hi everyone, today let us learn about the solar and lunar eclipse. We know that earth revolves around the sun, isn't it? And the moon revolves around the earth. And both earth and the moon are revolving around the sun. During this revolution, sometimes all three of us, the sun, earth and the moon, come in straight line and cause a shadow on each other. This creates a very interesting phenomenon called eclipse. There are two types of eclipse, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Let us study briefly about it. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. This blocks the sunlight from reaching the earth and creates a shadow. On the place on earth where the shadow of the moon falls, people cannot see the sun or the sun is hidden from them. This is called solar eclipse. You can see the picture how it happens. Here I have drawn the rough diagram of the solar eclipse. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Now let us see the lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when earth comes in between the sun and the moon. The earth blocks the rays of the sunlight from reaching the moon. For a person standing on earth, the moon is hidden in the earth's shadow. This is called lunar eclipse. You can see in the picture how it happens. This solar and lunar eclipse is a natural phenomena. It is a fact or a situation that can be seen.